What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget back again with another video. And today we have something special. Today we have the Streets of Japan set. We've been fighting the urge to open this for some time now. It has like a little bit of everything as far as something that we like. Some old classics and the new Z. Like it has the rx7, the Z, the Supra, the 4-door Integra, which here in America I've rarely seen, 3000 GT, and the gt86 Pandem. The two wide bodies are the gt86 and the rx7. And we have Miss Orlando Underground here with us today as well. She'll be assisting with the unboxing. But without further ado, like these are the little gems right here, and yeah, let's get into it.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, I've wanted to open this for a minute. The gt86, I'm really excited to get a closer look at. I want to see the details on that casting. We have a Pandem rx7 that we opened a little while ago that we customized. We'll be sharing some pictures of the Pandem rx7 soon. The casting that we customized was the FC rx7, the one that like has the police livery on it.
Cool.
Alright, where do you want to start?
Top left.
Oh wow, that's really cool. Like they really got the details right. They finally painted the wing all the way to the bumper. About time, jeez. Oh wow. What does it say on the front? Does it say Rocket Bunny? No way. By the front. Let me see, right there.
That's pretty cool.
Wow, like the detail on it's cool. The livery is super cool.
I love the taillights. Yeah, the wide body fenders.
Wow, they did a great job on this one. This
cool.
is probably one of my new favorites. Like the gt86 fanboys will trip on this one. Wow, you did a good job. The 3000 GT. Like fun fact, they had an American version of this because it was I think it was Dodge had the version of it because Daimler Chrysler I think owned Mitsubishi at the time or something like that, but the Dodge version is called the Dodge Stealth, and the wing was actually up against the back windshield on the car itself, so it made it look a little bit different. But the people that grew up in the 90s, they there was a show called Walker Texas Ranger.
I used to watch that all the time.
Chuck Norris, that was the hero of the show.
Yeah.
And he drove the Dodge Stealth as his car, like to do action and do Chuck Norris type things.
Chuck Norris type things. Here, let's show the next car.
This is the 400Z, the new Z that came out recently. Well, I guess people call it the Z. It's not the 400Z, but let's all be real. Like, they had the 370, and this was supposed to be the next one in the line. But I'm just now starting to see these at car meets and stuff around town. I saw my first Nismo. We actually have a short. For those of you that don't know, and are new to our channel, we do a lot of car meets and skateboarding stuff, but we do a little bit of everything: collectibles, car meets, and skateboarding, because those are our passions, and that's what we do on this channel. We share our passions with you guys, and like we appreciate you guys for tuning in and like letting us share our collection with you. Like we've shared every Hot Wheels that we've ever had with you guys, and as our collection grows, you guys are there. But yeah, definitely exciting.
Okay, let's do the next one.
Yeah, I'm really excited about this one. Like, I've never seen a casting of an Integra from Hot Wheels ever. So this is my very first time seeing the casting of it. Let's see if we can get it to focus on the livery. It says AEM, Sparco, Ebok, Nitto. Like, fun fact, I had Nitto tires and I had tire letters on the car. It was really cool. It looked great. I don't know if I have any pictures up on YouTube, but I know on our Instagram page we have some probably. Oh man, they got the tail lights, but they forgot the like the little Integra decal on the back. It's okay. It's still pretty cool. And the last one is the new BMW Supra. Like, I don't know how to feel about it still. Like, I know they decided to put a manual in it in real life, like finally, after all the enthusiasts threw a fit, but it's not a true Toyota. And I mean, the motor is alright, but when we raced one in the 350Z, it didn't seem all that fast. But I don't know. Like, comment down below there, you guys know why, like, we were able to keep up in our Z. Like, because we're stock. Like, I don't know, man. I'm not trying to talk bad about Toyota. I love Toyota. But the new Supra is kind of meh. Oh, that's not the last one. We got an RX7. Yeah. Oh, man. I couldn't see it.
Wait, why does this one have this here?
Keep it from moving. Huh. It's a little different than our other casting. Weird. Oh, it's a Rocket Bunny kit. That's why. Yeah. Yeah, it's a Rocket Bunny. The Rocket Bunny kit. That's why it's different. Let me see. Find the other casting. Dropped part of it.
No, I like it. It's really cool.
Yeah, our other one.
Aw, nice.
Is a little different.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Stanced. Let me see. Like, yeah, see the body style is way different. Yeah, the wide body. Weird, dude. Interesting.
Okay.
Alright guys, well I guess that's gonna be it for our little collection today. The highlight I think was the gt86. Like, this thing is just epic. Like, for me, this one is something that I would like to make in real life. I've had a couple friends with gt86s, and they're really, really fun cars. They're driver's cars. They're not the fastest, but they're definitely one of the most balanced cars. Yeah, here on this page, we're definitely JDM biased a little. We have a lot of friends with American muscle cars, but JDM's where it's at. Like, bang for buck, you can't beat it. Throw a couple bucks in a tune on it, and you're keeping up with Lambos and stuff, so can't hate on that. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed our content, please drop a like and sub and all that stuff. If not, whatever. We'll be around either way. But until next time, stay safe. Later.